stop filming because I was not able to connect the door to the hinges, even though I did everything by the book and how the plan explained it. Yeah, it just wasn't possible. I even took everything apart again and tried to assemble it on the floor, which also didn't work. And then I cut off 1 millimeter from the door, and after that I was able to connect the things, and luckily everything works now. But I had some, I sweat blood and tears for about an hour, and now I'm very happy that it's actually working. So this is how far we have gotten until now, and now we can move to the next step. And the next step now is to take some oil with white pigments and turn this into this. Encounter a little problem with the feet. They work just fine when you open the stairs or the door, but when you try to close it again, it gets a little bit stuck. You cannot just smoothly close it, so we need to find a little solution for that. But first I'm going to show you what I mean. So this works pretty fine. You can just adjust them like that. But now if we try to close it again, instead of just sliding down, you have to jump from one side to the other and keep the feet, and then go back to the other side, and so on. And of course that's not how I imagined it to be, so we'll have to find a solution. Okay, so it worked out. Now when I want to lower the step, I can pull up the legs. Only problem is the other way around is not working as good as it was working before, so I guess it's okay for now, but I will need to find a better solution for the future.